Get the ball rolling is an idiomatic expression that means to initiate or start an activity, process, or project. It implies taking the necessary steps to set things in motion and begin making progress towards a goal. The phrase "get the ball rolling" draws its imagery from various sports, particularly games like football or basketball, where a ball needs to be set in motion to start the game or a specific play. Just as starting the ball rolling is essential for the game to commence, initiating an action or project is crucial to move forward and achieve desired outcomes. Getting the ball rolling signifies the importance of taking that initial step and overcoming inertia or procrastination. It emphasizes the need for proactive behavior and the willingness to take on the responsibility of starting something. By doing so, it encourages momentum, engagement, and progress. In practical terms, getting the ball rolling involves identifying the necessary tasks, allocating resources, and establishing a plan of action. It requires clear communication, delegation, and coordination to ensure that everyone involved understands their roles and responsibilities. Taking the initiative to initiate a project or activity often inspires others to join in and contribute, creating a sense of collective momentum. This expression is applicable to various contexts, from personal endeavors to professional projects. Whether it's launching a new business venture, organizing an event, or embarking on a personal goal, getting the ball rolling sets the stage for forward movement and achievement. However, it is important to note that getting the ball rolling is only the first step. Sustaining momentum and seeing the task through to completion is equally crucial. Once the initial motion has been initiated, it is essential to maintain focus, address obstacles, and adapt as needed to ensure continued progress towards the desired outcome. In summary, getting the ball rolling is an idiomatic expression that refers to initiating or starting an activity or project. It emphasizes the importance of taking the necessary steps to overcome inertia and begin making progress towards a goal. By initiating action and inspiring momentum, individuals and teams can set the stage for achievement and success. However, it is equally important to maintain focus and sustain momentum to see the task through to completion.